Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect iPad 9th Gen to a PC. To connect iPad 9th Gen to a PC, you'll need a cable that fits both your iPad and your PC. So on one end it should be Lightning, and on the other end the port can be either USB Type-C or Type-A depending on which ports does your computer have. Then connect your device to a cable like that, and now you'll need to unlock it and choose whether you trust your computer or not. I'm gonna click on trust, then enter the passcode for my iPad, and now it can be accessed in this PC in File Explorer on my PC. So let's go to this PC, then Apple iPad. When you open it, you can go into internal storage, and here are different folders that you can open and find different files in it. And this way I can, for example, open this photo. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.